Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Byrne from fixpectus.com, and in today's video what I'm going to show you is my home gym and to show you the equipment that I'm utilizing so I can build my chest, build my physique to make my pectus look as least noticeable as possible. I'm in lockdown here, so it's a really good thing to have a good home gym setup. And no, you definitely do not need a gym. You can do it at home. You just need some good equipment. So I'll show you what I utilize so you guys can, draw some inspiration from that and maybe get a setup like that if you're in lockdown or if you just want to start training from home. I know a lot of people with pectus are insecure with their bodies, so going to the gym sometimes can really bring that out. So maybe if you want to start your training at home, first year, get some confidence, build some muscle before going to the gym, it's definitely a good idea, especially if it's going to make you actually train and stay accountable to it. So anyway, this is my home gym. Just open the garage door for you guys and we're going in. So firstly, we have a Concept 2 bike erg, just a great piece of equipment for cardio. Something I've incorporated a lot more into my training is cardiovascular training. Working on my overall fitness and lung capacity, I enjoy it. It makes me feel good and it helps me eat a lot of food and still stay lean and shredded. And I think my training has now shifted from just, trying to improve pectus to trying to improve my capacity as a human, try and be fitter, stronger. That's what motivates me now, because obviously I've achieved the physique that I wanted to achieve. I've achieved the liberation of being happy in my body. So now I've got other goals that are outside of that, which is, improving my capacity and my fitness. But these tools will still help you, if your primary goal is just improving the look of your pectus right now. These tools are going to help you improve your fitness, which is going to improve your heart and lung capacity. And it does help you stay leaner as well. So if you're looking to drop weight or fat, then any kind of cardio tool is going to be really helpful. So as I said, I've got the bike erg, and then I've got an assault bike. These are brutal. This is actually an echo bike, a Rogue echo bike, but same kind of thing. It's just like a fan bike. They're really brutal. And then a Concept 2 rower. This is a great piece of equipment as well. So for cardio, I typically recommend to my clients, and as you guys probably know on this channel, I recommend swimming. It is my preferred method of cardio for pectus. It's so great, completely non-impact, great for your recovery from your weight training. It's going to work muscles that when they're worked, help correct your posture, help correct those rounded shoulders, working your back, your external rotators, your shoulders. So swimming's amazing. And aside from that, it's going to work your mindset because you get more used to taking off your shirt. So swimming's my preferred method, but if you can't get access to a pool, the next best, in my opinion, is rowing. Same thing, it's working your back, it's working your posterior chain, so you're getting that postural correction benefit, and it's also low impact. So it's not like running where it's really kind of jarring on your knees and stuff. So that's what my favorites are. All right, now looking at this stuff, these are weightlifting belts. Okay, so this is just a belt that you before you're doing a heavy squat or an overhead press or a deadlift, you put around yourself. Okay, and that's going to help keep your core more stable. I love weightlifting belts. And definitely recommend it when you're getting stronger and you're doing those compound lifts, which I always program for my clients. Okay, and then next to where the weightlifting belts are hang up, we have a whole bunch of different resistance bands. Look at all of them. And over here too. Okay, resistance bands are what I use to mimic what a cable pulley can do in a gym. Resistance bands there's so many varieties, so many things you can do with them. They're really amazing. And they enable us to, do flies, do pull downs, like tricep pull downs, face pulls, any kind of cable pulley movement you would do in a gym. Like check this out. I've got a resistance band hanging off here. And I'm able to do pull downs. Like, they're so versatile and they work amazingly. So definitely recommend getting resistance bands, guys. Now that resistance band is hanging from a pull-up bar. Definitely recommend getting someone to do pull-ups. Super, super great exercise for pectus. Anything that works at back is amazing. So I always am programming pull-ups and chin-ups for my clients. Here we have the golden piece, an adjustable bench. Definitely recommend getting an adjustable bench, guys. So one that can go on an incline like that. Then you can do incline movements, and one that can go decline would be awesome too. I don't have a decline one actually, but it's definitely beneficial. When you do decline, it works your lower pecs more, and getting that separation of the pecs from the ribs is really important. Here we have surfboards and other storage things in the garage. Surfing, another great thing for pectus, great form of like cardio, and obviously just lots of fun. But it's great for pectus because it's like swimming, it's working those muscles that when developed make your rounded shoulders way less rounded. They pull you up and get that straight posture. So that's that. Now, this is the fun part. Okay, so I've got plates for days, I think 230 kilos worth of plates, and I have another like 150 coming. That enables me and someone else to do like some heavy deadlifts or something at the same time. It also enables me to retest my max because I've got 230 kilos worth of plates, and the other day we were doing a deadlift 1RM, and 230 was really easy. It moved super quick. So I need some more plates so I can actually test what my max is. This is kilograms, by the way, not pounds. So I'm really keen to retest that. Anyway, so that's that. We've got a sandbag here from Rogue, 25 kilo dumbbell sets, 35 kilo dumbbell sets, some heavy kettlebells, obviously barbells, and these barbells as well. Lots of different barbells. More dumbbells. These are 15 kilos, 20 kilos. These are rings, so I can do like ring dips, great movement, ring pull-ups, different things. This is an ab mat. I use it for handstand push-ups, ab mat sit-ups, foam rollers. This is all your recovery stuff. I often program foam roll movements for my clients, like to open up their thoracic spine, to roll their lower back, their quads. That helps, you know, working on posture is about developing weak muscles and strength and loosening tight muscles. So foam rolling, trigger balls, all those things are really quite important. On that note, here's a trigger ball as well. Get one of them. Then up here, we just have a yoga mat, knee sleeves, barbell collars, adjustable plate loaded dumbbells, chalk, essential when you're lifting heavy on some compound lifts, and an ab wheel. You guys know I love the ab wheel rollout. So yeah, guys, that's kind of the equipment that I have at my house. Now I've made a video on the equipment that I recommend for Pectus, and you guys will see that I have that and some. Now the essentials really are dumbbells, an adjustable one, so you know, so you can get different loading for different exercises. Okay, dumbbells and resistance bands and a bench and a pull-up bar. They're the real keys, and an ab wheel, and then all the, you know, foam roller and trigger ball, all the stretching stuff. And then once you get past that, then it's good to go into barbells and get plates and different things so we can get heavier and more advanced. But typically with my clients, when they're newbies, I start them off with just dumbbells and resistance bands and those kind of exercises, okay? And then, you know, after about 6 months, we transition into barbells. I tell my clients to get like a squat rack, freestanding squat racks. That's what this is. So they're just two different spots that you then put the bar in. So you move them out there. You can move them where you want, and then you can do bench press, squat, etc. with those. So I've got two of them. So me and my girlfriend, or me and a friend, can train at the same time. So that is my home gym setup, guys. Let me know if you have any questions for me. And I hope you found this helpful. And if you train and you want to get a setup at home, then reach out to me and I can help you with that setup, and I can write you a program to utilize with that setup so you can overcome your pectus like my clients have. Guys, this shit works. You know, you've seen my client results. I've been doing this for 5 years. I've coached hundreds of people worldwide. So I know what I'm doing, and obviously proof is in the pudding with my own transformation. So if you're interested, link is in the description. But anyway, guys, thanks again for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.